Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best EMF Spirit Box is probably one of the most intriguing tools for paranormal enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into this fascinating device, exploring its features, and putting it to the test. Get ready as we uncover the mysteries of the unseen, analyze its capabilities, and determine if it lives up to the hype. Join me as we explore the world of spirit communication and see what secrets this device might reveal. Number 5. ERICKHILL EMF Meter. Are you concerned about EMF radiation in your home or office? This device helps you detect electric and magnetic fields. It's the first step in protecting yourself from potential hazards. This EMF meter helps you locate dangerous radiation hotspots. You can use it to identify areas with high EMF levels. It's a smart way to shield yourself and your family. The built-in sensor displays radiation values on a clear LCD screen. It measures both magnetic and electric fields. You can easily see the readings and understand the levels of EMF exposure. When the EMF levels are too high, the device alerts you with a sound and light alarm. The screen turns red, and the buzzer sounds. It also has a mute mode for quiet environments. This EMF detector is suitable for various applications at home and in the office. It can detect radiation from appliances like TVs and computers. It is useful for home inspections and workplace safety. The LCD screen is easy to read, even in the dark. The data hold function allows you to freeze readings. The device also has an auto-off feature to save battery life. For accurate magnetic field readings, make sure the appliance is turned on. Position the sensor close to the source. This ensures you get the most reliable results. What we like. This EMF meter is your first line of defense against unseen radiation. It detects both electric and magnetic fields, alerting you to potential hazards with a sound and light alarm. If you're concerned about EMF exposure in your home or office, this is the perfect tool to identify and address those risks. What people say. It's easy to use and understand where EMF and high voltage areas are. Sensitivity seems good for amateur users. I can use it to follow the wiring in the wall. The EMFs increase dramatically if the outlet is being used or the light switch is turned on. Number 4. Essential Chakra Collection Crystal Healing Kit. This kit is the perfect way to begin your crystal healing journey. It includes everything you need to balance your chakras and experience the power of natural crystals. It's a great choice for anyone interested in meditation and spiritual practices. Inside, you'll find 7 chakra tumbled stones, a pendulum, and more. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to harness the energy of these beautiful stones. It's a complete package for anyone looking to explore crystal healing. Looking for a thoughtful gift. This kit is ideal for beginners and experienced practitioners alike. It comes beautifully packaged in a wooden box, ready to inspire and uplift. Give the gift of harmony and well-being. Each crystal is hand-picked for its exceptional quality. While each stone is unique, the set is carefully curated for balance and energy. You can be assured that it is a high-quality collection. You'll also receive a quick reference poster and an 82-page ebook. Learn how to choose and use crystals, and discover their properties. It's a complete resource to help you get the most out of your healing crystals. We're confident you'll love this collection. If you're not satisfied, you have 120 days to return it for a full refund. The crystals are natural and unique, but they are a true representation of the quality you will receive. What we like. This kit offers a complete set of healing crystals, perfect for beginners and experienced practitioners alike. It comes beautifully packaged, making it an ideal gift for anyone interested in spiritual practices. If you are looking to balance your chakras or seeking a thoughtful gift, this kit provides everything you need to get started. What people say. The crystals are absolutely beautiful, the quality is outstanding, and the included ebook is such a thoughtful bonus. It's packed with detailed information about each crystal and their functions, which makes the whole experience even more meaningful. Exactly as advertised, beautiful polished and rough stones. Beautiful crystal set. Packaging was beautiful. As soon as I received my package, I cleansed my home with sage and Palo Santo. I added various essential oils to my diffusers, burned a few incenses throughout my apartment, cleared my intentions and meditated. After I was done meditating, I tried the Chakra pendulum and it works. I moved the pendulum toward all my chakra points to see if any of them were closed or needed working on. The crystal moved clockwise to show that they are open and counterclockwise to show that they are closed. Number 3. PARANORMIC Spirit Box Kit, Ghost Hunting Equipment. This spirit box scans both AM and FM radio frequencies. It helps you capture clear electronic voice phenomena signals in real time during your ghost hunting sessions. You can also pause the sweep for closer analysis. It's designed with a one-click start, making it easy for beginners to use. Professionals will also appreciate its precision. It's a turn-on-and-go experience. The device features a built-in speaker, headphone, and AUX support. It also records in MP3 format to the included 32 GB microSD card. This allows for detailed review of your EVP recordings. It has a bright backlit display, a rugged handheld design, and glove-friendly buttons. It also includes an extendable antenna and a built-in flashlight. These features make it ideal for low-light environments. The rechargeable battery lasts for 6 to 10 hours and recharges via USB. Everything you need to start investigating is included in the box. This makes it ready for use right away. What we like. This spirit box offers fast, gap-free sweeps across AM and FM frequencies, designed for capturing clear EVP signals. It's beginner-friendly with a one-click start, yet provides the precision pros demand. If you're a beginner ghost hunter or looking for a reliable, easy-to-use device, this spirit box is a great choice. What people say. Item was easy to use and did not disappoint. The additional features make it an essential tool for use in the field. The size and looks are amazing from the inventor. Number 2. FOWBOA EMF Meter, Handheld Paranormal Equipment. This EMF meter helps you detect electromagnetic fields. It uses a 5 LED display, making it easy to read in any lighting condition. The 5-point scale allows for easy interpretation of electromagnetic fields. The lights respond immediately when the environmental magnetic field changes. This device is compact and lightweight. It fits easily into your pocket, so you can carry it wherever you go. It enhances the enjoyment of supernatural exploration. The device detects electromagnetic waves within a frequency range of 50 Hz to 2000 MHz. The EMF detector comes with a 9V battery. If the green LED doesn't light up, it means the battery is low, and you need to replace it. What we like. This EMF meter features a clear 5 LED display, making it easy to read in any lighting condition. Its compact and lightweight design makes it convenient to carry. If you need a simple, portable EMF detector for paranormal investigations or home use, it's a great choice. What people say. Very accurate and works consistently well. We haven't found any ghosts, but it sure can detect a wonky outlet. Been using it for a while and still works like magic. It does exactly what it's supposed to. Number 1. PSB11 ANC Spirit Box with Adjustable Noise Control. Introducing the PSB11 ANC Spirit Box. This device is designed to enhance your paranormal investigations. It features advanced technology for optimal results. The adjustable noise control is a key feature. It allows you to fine-tune the audio, ensuring clearer communication. This helps to filter out unwanted background noise. It utilizes dual-channel sweep across both FM and AM frequencies. This dual-channel system increases the chances of capturing EVP. This feature provides comprehensive coverage. You can adjust the scanning sweep speed for each channel independently. This flexibility allows you to customize the scan rate. This will suit your specific needs. The ATDD feature alerts you to temperature changes. It detects deviations of 5 degrees Fahrenheit. This can be crucial for identifying potential paranormal activity. Each channel can scan both forward and backward. This provides more versatility during your investigations. This feature enhances the device's functionality. The device is powered by a standard 9V alkaline battery. This makes it easy to find replacements. It ensures the device is ready for use. What we like. This spirit box features adjustable noise control and dual-channel sweeping for enhanced audio clarity. It also includes automatic temperature deviation detection. If you're looking for advanced features to improve your EVP sessions, this spirit box is worth considering. What people say. Has many useful functions, takes a little while to learn their use but not difficult. Works as it's supposed to. It also has a temperature monitor and flashlight. Once you get the channel, the volume and noise filter can be adjusted for better radio quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.